One of the things that was interesting was the EDS detector is always inside, so you are always capturing the signal as well. So maybe you didn't think about it was interesting on the sample, but you have that signal. The combination of EBSD and EDS is already my area of expertise and what I work daily. I'm also very interested in the transmission mode, where we work on electron transparent samples.
I like the whole concept of integrating both the imaging and analysis. To see the detector, especially the EBSD detector, was a really nice thing to see. That's really what I'm looking for, the whole spectrum of applications, high vacuum, low vacuum, high voltage, low voltage. So yeah, it does seem to fulfill my requirements.